Hello, today we're going to be going over charging your Taycan in just 5 easy steps. First, you want to make sure you have the key on you and unlock your Porsche Taycan. Next, you want to start by opening the charge door located on either side of the vehicle. If you're charging at home, you can charge on either side. If you're utilizing the DC fast charge, use the passenger side of the vehicle. Your Taycan is going to come with 2 different chargers. This one is the 120. This one's going to charge your vehicle anywhere from 5 miles per hour. This is the 240. It's going to charge from 10 to 60 miles per hour. The ends are both going to be the same and plug very easily into your Taycan charger. Start by lifting up and placing the charger in. Once the charger is placed, you want to push down and slide the charger in. Place the clip all the way down and you're connected. Simply plug in the charger. The flashing white light will mean it's initializing the charge. When it turns to green flashing, your charger is locked and your vehicle is charging. Once your Taycan is fully charged, noted by the solid green light, unlock the vehicle, click the button, wait for the light to go off, and you can unplug your charger. You're going to have indicators right here showing you what your Taycan is doing while you're charging. White means you've plugged in the charger. Flashing white means the charge is initializing. Green and flashing means that the vehicle is currently charging. Blue flashing means your vehicle is scheduled to charge. Green means the vehicle is completely charged. And red means there's an error in some process of your charging. And that's how you charge your Porsche Taycan. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or contact our team at Porsche Grapevine.